Yo, what up YouTube, it's your boy AM coming to you with an unboxing video! Today we'll be unboxing the Echo Show 5. I picked this product up on Prime Day. I got it for half off, and so I'm so excited. I'm going to put this next to my nightstand, ask it questions, watch videos on it, and listen to music, because this thing can do practically anything. And you can also teach you new skills so you can play games and all the cool stuff that you want to do with it. So stay tuned as I unbox this thing in a sec. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Don't change the channel. Stay tuned. Okay. Brought my handy dandy knife to open up any box that stands in our way. Today we're going to be opening up the Echo Show 5. Right here is a product I picked up on Prime Day, and it was half off. So let's just go through the specs real quick. This is the front of the box. Pretty sexy. It's the Echo 5 Show. I think it refers to dimensions of the screen, which it does. 5.5 inches. So it's not very big. About the same size as your phone. And it has various features on there. It has far-field voice control. Here's the side of the box. Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, and a built-in camera cover for the privacy freaks. And here on the back, it tells you exactly like what some of the cool stuff that you can do with it. It's made to fit your life. I don't know. That's kind of a big assumption. What if your life is really bad? So does this make it worse or make it better? I don't know. Control your smart home, which is pretty sweet. So if you have those smart bulbs, you can tell it, "Hey Alexa, make the whole room green," and it turns as green. I need to get some smart bulbs for our space. That'd be really dope. And then hand-free video calling and messaging. I know that this is only through like the Amazon products that you're able to do that. So if you already have an Echo or you have other devices, you can make phone calls and stuff like that. And Alexa can show you things, so you can ask it questions like, "Alexa, what's the weather?" and she'll tell you what it is. Or, "Alexa, what's 2 plus 2?" and she'll tell you it's 4. Here's the bottom of the box. The side of the box tells you what all these other things that you can connect to it. So you have Amazon Music, you have Spotify, you have Apple Music. You can hook up Sirius XM. That is super weird, but I guess kind of cool too. Weird flex. Prime Video, you have CNBC, Hue, like I said, light bulbs, Ring, Skype, all those cool stuff. So you can connect it to your smart device. There's the top, you got the Amazon logo, a little smiley face from A to Z. I'm kind of excited about this thing. I can't wait to put it next to my bedside so I can watch YouTube videos before I go to bed. And I know a lot of you are wondering what YouTube videos I watch. I watch videos of myself, of course. So that's going to be the number one thing. Little line here to cut, so we'll just cut through that and flip it open. Ooh. Okay, before I do that, let me tell you, I'm already excited about this. I've been looking for this for a long time, and I'm glad I got it for half off. I wanted the Spot, but my only problem with the Spot was the round screen. I'm not a big fan of the circle screen or the round screen, but this I am super excited for. So you cut the little tab, and the unboxing experience is already have begun. So we have right here is a little smiley face to greet you, and then you just start opening the box and looking inside, which is really cool. I'm totally digging it so far. Cool. So you just pull at the top, and then there's the little Spot. Pretty awesome, wrapped in plastic. Here you have the base of it, little rubber base, which is cool. Little speaker vents right here at the bottom. But before we get into that, we'll just check all the other contents inside this little box. So we'll just keep pulling everything out until it is completely cleared. Okay, there we go. So basically you have like a little cardboard stand that was kind of holding everything underneath it in place. Presentation's pretty awesome. Box very cool how you unbox it. So we'll just toss that to the side, and let's just get into the meat and potatoes. So right here we have a little card telling you how to set it up or things you can do with it. We don't read that, we're gamers. Gamers know how to do everything innately. Right here we have the instructions book, instruction book. We don't read this as well because we're gamers. We know how to do all this stuff when it comes to tech. It's just natural. Okay, so what we have is just basically two things in the box: power cord and the device itself. Everything is wrapped in plastic so you don't get no scuff marks. What I'll do right now is take off the plastic and start scuffing this bad boy up. There we go. It's off. So we'll just toss that to the side and we just keep going. Oh, there's another little plastic covering the Amazon logo right here. See if I can get this off. Oh, looks like it's on there pretty tight. I won't worry about it until later. Thing to note, it takes 15 watts, which is not a lot of power, which is pretty cool. Device is kind of nice. Let's see how it charges. Oh, you just have a DC input that you put into the device, which is cool. It would have been a little bit nicer if it was USB-C, but that's just personal preference. Okay, so we have a tab here on the back of the device, which we pull, and theoretically should open up all the plastic, right? So I'm pulling all the way around, and it then comes off. Cool. Yeah, so let's look at the device itself. Ooh, already got fingerprints on there. Gotta have to hit that with a nice little rag. So the screen is about the size of a cell phone, which is nice. I don't want a big show. They sell those like the 10-inch ones. I didn't need that much. I just need something that was small and tiny that you put next to my bedsides like this. Lay my head here and I can watch shows and have the alarm ring me up in the morning, which is cool. So here on the top we have a little camera cover, so when you do voice calling you can close it if you're scared of the privacy and things like that. I really don't care because pretty much everything steals your privacy nowadays, and then pretty soon like all your stuff's gonna be on the internet, so might as well just get used to it. If you don't want your privacy taken, you probably should stay away from tech, because basically that's what all tech is made for, is to take all your information and then sell it. Sad but true. I mean, but you just gotta live with it, right? So this is the device. Backside we have this really nice cover on the back. It's like a fabric cover to give the speakers a nice premium feel to it. In the back you have some hookups here. You have audio out. You have the connection to put in your power, and then it looks like it has like a micro USB, so you can like input other things into it if you want to, which is pretty cool. And then at the bottom we have the rubber feet, which is really nice. The feet is really good actually. It's like a premium feel to it, and then around it has a really nice finishings. Like the screen feels really good. The plastic feels good, doesn't feel cheap, feels pretty expensive. You have the up and down volumes, and then just a mute button right here on top. So that's basically it. I don't know what the exact resolution is of the screen. I probably have to look at the specs for it, but I'm not expecting too high of a resolution. Probably like 720, which is pretty much fine, especially on a screen this size. If it's 1080p, that'd be really nice. Actually, let me just look it up real quick so I can give you guys the information you want to know, because I know some people out there like resolution people, so they're like, oh, I want to make sure all my stuff's 1080p, but sometimes you don't need 1080p. You just need the basics, which is 720. I mean, that's HD, right? But some people want to have 1080p everything. Looking at the instructions, it does not give you the resolution of the screen, which is kind of crappy. That's kind of lame. So I don't know, which is kind of sad. But I don't think it'll be an issue. I think it should be at least 720. If not, if it's 1080, that'd be nice. But yeah, at this size, 720 is sufficient. Even if it's like a lower resolution, it'll still be okay. I'll plug it in and we'll look at it a little bit more. But this is the unboxing of the Echo Show 5 from Amazon. And if you like this unboxing and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're not a member of the Day and Night Gang, you better hit that sub button. If you want to let me know what other unboxings you want to see, be sure to hit it up in the comic section. And if you comics section, that's messed up. In the comments section, no, am I saying it right? Comments. Yeah, comments. It's like a meteorite. It's kind of the same thing. Anyways, I'm off on a tangent. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, and if you want to know, if you think I did a good job in this video, hit that thumbs up. Otherwise, stay tuned for more AMPM adventures. Peace.